Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Well, yesterday I started playing around with designing a shop card. And as usual, I got carried away, so now I need your help. Stick around. Okay guys, today we're going to talk about shop cards, and to that end, I got this in the mail yesterday. It's from Don at Red Barn Model Works. Don, thank you so much for the kind words and the card. It's going to go in a prominent place with the other cards. Love your shop too, by the way. If you have not visited Don's YouTube channel or Facebook page, head over and do that. Some really great stuff there. Don, thank you so much again. So let's talk about shop cards. Hey guys, until I started my YouTube channel, I had not heard much about nor received any shop cards. Didn't really know that much about them. But since then, I've collected 7 or 8, along with some decals, a little button from BG here, and just some really cool stuff. And I think they're really cool, and it's something to promote your channel when you're at events and just among friends. To trade them around and all that stuff. And I have been asked by a number of people, when are you going to do a shop card, or would you send me one? To which I've had to reply, well, I don't have one yet, but I thought I would spend a little time and design one. So yesterday after lunch, I thought, well, I'll spend about an hour or two and see what I can come up with. Well, 6 hours later, I had probably 10 designs. I just was having a little fun with it. But I'm only going to do one card, but for right now anyway. And I narrowed it down with Amanda to about 3 to 5 of them. And she said, just put 5 of them. Ask the guys which ones they like. So that's what we're going to take a look at real quick. We're going to look at the top 5, so to speak, and I'm going to need your help. I'm going to put numbers beside them, and we'll go over that. So stick around, we'll take a look. Hey guys, I really want to get you involved in this, and I thank you in advance for the assistance. If you have any ideas or changes you think I should make to them, you can leave that in the comments section. You can send me an email, which will be in the description section of the video, or on Messenger on Facebook, any of those. But what I want to do is I want to pull up individually these tiles, and I'm going to number them 1 through 5. And if you would just leave your vote in the comments section. And I'm thinking about doing one a year, maybe one every 6 months. I don't know, change it up a little bit, have some fun with it. So let's take a look. Number 1 is kind of reminiscent of that very first video and our cover page on YouTube, and that is of the Dodge Daytona. And I'll leave that up here a second, let you take a look. And the next one up is just a cool picture to me. I really like this one. I just added the logo and the YouTube logo on it. The flathead engine and the mobile workbench 40 Ford, which I just thought was cool. This one, number 3, is it's kind of simplistic with a carbon fiber, but at the same time, I just kind of like that for some reason. So that'll be number 3. Number 4, that we're going to call this 4A, is the mobile shop car. And mixed it up just a little bit on 4B. Added the logo and moved some stuff around a little bit. And then number 5, I thought this was unique because we build model cars, and this is a model car of a car being built. So for some reason that just struck me as appropriate, but I don't know. And that'll be number 5. And last up, this is just a sticker that I'm going to have made. I just like the carbon fiber, so I think I'm going to go ahead and have those that I can add with the shop cards too there. And guys, thank you very much for your support and for helping out with this. And if you're not a subscriber, go over and hit that subscription. If you want to help a channel out, that's how you do it. Give us a thumbs up or even a thumbs down. hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And we've got some good stuff coming on. I've already been back on the gasser again. We're going to do an update on that. And I discovered something the other day that I'll probably put up in the next day or two as soon as I get it cleaned up. And guys, again, thank you so much. God bless. And I will see you in the next video.